In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 Plus, and let me show you how to activate demo mode on this device. So at first you need to open the list of all apps, then go to the settings and enter developer options. If you cannot find developer options right here, just take a look at our tutorial on how to do it, and then you'll be able to see it at the bottom of the list. And now let's click on developer mode to enter, scroll a bit lower, and here you've got demo mode, smoothly marked. And if you want to enable it, just tap on this first switcher, and once you want to make it visible as well, just click on show demo mode. And this is it, that would be all. Then if you want to turn it off, just unmark the switcher. And this is it, that would be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.